All right, guys. It's been a minute. Been taking a little break from YouTube and stuff, but I'm back with some more packs. I got 4 1991 packs and then 5 1990 packs. So guess I'll get into it. Also too, this will be coming soon. I got some baseball cards. Believe from 1989. Yep, 1989 Topps Company. So this will be coming soon. Opening for these, and I believe I got some more packs too as well. It's not just what I have in my hand, but I also got some of these blind packs. These are also from 1989, I believe. If I can get it to focus, it won't focus. But anyways, enough of that. And as always, if you guys like what you're watching, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, let's get into the first one. Alright. Got Eddie Murray. Jim Covert. Buffer Jordan. Sterling Sharp. Mike Gann. Keith Byers. Rick Fenny. Jeff Cross. Mike Dial. Phil Simms. Gerald Williams. Jackie Slater. Don Beebe. And Clay Matthews. So overall, not a bad pack. And on TikTok too, I will be posting some of the clips of this video and showing the prices as to the polls and stuff. So be sure to check out the TikTok too. It should be linked in the bio. But let's get into one of these 1991 packs. See what we can get. Got Johnny Holland. Got Tim Rosenbach. Got Howie Long. That's a cool card, huh? And I got Alton Montgomery. I got Gary Anderson. And I got Ethan Horton. And this is going to be a pretty cool card here. Got an Arch Rivals card with Barry Sanders and Derek Thomas. This is a pretty cool card. I wish they still made cards like this, but... Alright, let's see what we got next. We got Jim Jensen. Again, I don't know why these packs or these cards are backwards, but not here to judge. Ken Lanier. Got John L. Williams. This is a pretty cool full art card. Calvin Williams. And I have Chris Zorick. Star rookie card. It's a pretty good pull too. And like I said, I will be putting the prices of these cards all in my TikTok. I'll be putting the clips and whatnot and highlights of these videos in my TikTok. So make sure you stay tuned to my TikTok just to see the prices if you're interested in that. And get into another pack of these 1991 cards. Alright. Looks like we got another rookie card here. This one's going to be Mike Crowell. Craig Hayward. Oh wow. This is another full art card. Sideways, huh? This is Don Majkowski. Ed King, rookie card. Warren Moon. Oh, here we go. We got our first game breaker of the vid. Come on. Oh, look at that shine. Unfortunately, we already did pull a Marion Butts, but I mean, we'll take it. Not too bad of a pull, but man, these cards are just beautiful. First hit of the day, huh? Bruce Kozerski. Got Steve Smith. Don Griffin. Got Jerome Brown. Bruce Matthews. Last but not least, we got Andre Risson. Oh, one more. We got Lewis Lips. Wow, man. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. But hey, at least I got two now. I'll have to get the other one out too. I have a matching card, huh? Here, I'll move these packs over here and just plop this right here. Alright. Switch back to the 1990 packs. Let's see what we get. I'm almost certain that these packs did not carry holographics yet and shiny cards, but they're still fun to open. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like there's none shiny. And again, I'm not quite sure. Webster Slaughter. Albert Lewis. We got Roger Craig. Warren Moon. Ricky Sanders. James Brooks. Steve Sewell. Tim Spencer. Chip Banks. William Howard. Bob Perryman. Steve McMichael. We got Derek Shepard. Dalton Hillard. Broderick Thompson. So overall, not too bad of a pack. Like I said, I'm not 100% on the prices of these cards, so I'm definitely going to do my research after this video and check to see if we got any decent polls. And I will definitely be posting them on the TikTok. So please make sure to stay tuned for the TikTok. Let's open up another one of these 1990 packs. Let's see what we got. All right. Oh. So we got James Jefferson, and whoa. This is a cool, interesting card, huh? Chris Dolman. Fleer All-Pro 1990. This right here might be a good pull. This might be a good card right here. I'll place it right in the back next to the next to Butts. All right. Next up, we got Lomas Brown, Kevin Butler, Jim Wilkes, Chris Jack, Oh, Deion Sanders. Wow. This might be a decent pull right here itself. Two hits, huh? Deion Sanders. Clyde Simmons. Kirk Loudermilk. Jeff Dillenbach. Bo Jackson. This is a cool card right here. Got Lionel Manuel, sorry, tongue twister. Lewis Lips, Jim Everett, and Andre Reed. Overall, a pretty cool pack. I'm definitely gonna look into this Chris Stolman card right here because this is, I've never pulled one out of this. Number 11 of 25. Oh wow. That's a very interesting card right there. Sorry, I'm not trying to make the video too long. It is going, man, it's running pretty far so far. But let's open up one of these 91 packs. Let's see if we can pull a game breaker besides Marion Butts. Come on, give us that pack magic. Alright, so I'm guessing the pack's going to be this way. First card, we got Steve Young. Got John Elway. We got Vince Buck. We got David Wyman. Jack Del Rio. We got Matt Brock. We got Byron Evans. Willie Gault. Then we got a rookie force card here. Let's see who this is. Oh wow, we got Isara Tuola. Oh, we got a Jerry Rice card. This is nice. Anthony Dilweg. Last but not least, we got Eric Metcalf. So, no game breakers in that package, but still happy about the Marion Butts at least. Let's do the 91 pack. The last one, last but not least. There's definitely more to come. Definitely going to be opening up more in the future, just not sure when yet.